Hello friend, today's video on how to build your own Yocto. So here I'm using BeagleBone Black to build its Yocto image. So let's go to Yocto project. So yoctoproject.org. This is it's create custom one image for you. Okay, you can create your own custom image using it. So let's get started here. So we are using new to the project. We are new. So it's a Poki getting started Poki project overview. So please read these stuffs. So I'm going straight forward. I'm going to here. I'm going to here Yocto project quick build. So let's go to the Yocto project quick build. So here there is another 3 steps. So we first step is project quick build. So let's go there. So Yocto project quick build, this is the you need some system requirement here. You need at least 50 GB of free space because it will gather all the stuffs to build your image. So here is some command. You need to install this much of packages to install your image, to build your image. So copy that and paste on your and enter it. So it will ask you your password, type yes, and it will install the packages that it require. Once it's installed, it will take time. So after that, next instruction, you need to clone that. So I already cloned that. So just I going cd enter to Poki. So cd Poki. So this is the main directory. There is some meta files there. Now you need to fetch some tags. Tags are nothing but branches. So git pull. First I pull. I am already updated. Now fetch tag. So it will fetch new tags. Now if you want to see that tags, there is one command git tags. So you can see that there is lots of tags. These tags are nothing but the branches. So move the Poki directory. You can see how much there are. So these are the versions. So we will use the latest version Yocto 1.9, 2.9, 2.7. Juice is the latest version. Okay, but we should use Yocto 3.1. That's fine. So git checkout Yocto 3.1. Give your branch name -b. I am giving my branch name PM1kar Yocto. So that branch is copied. So you can see git branch. I have PM1kar Yocto branch. So I am switched to my branch. Now next step, to build your own image. So how to build that image? There is some note you should. So first of all, we need to go to our Poki directory. So I think we are at Poki directory, so we do not need to search. Now next command is source init build environment. So please enter that command. So you switch to new directory Poki build, and there is some instructions. You need to change that conf file. So let's see. Cell environment builds, it will add some environments, cell environment. So here you can see examine your local configuration file. So you need to change some detail or machine related detail before start your build. So let's go there. So let's go there, cd demo dot. Now here we have some documents, some hardware related documents. Let's see that what is there. Readme dot hardware. So let's open that. Yocto project hardware reference BSP readme. So this is the reference we are using here. Texas Instrument BeagleBone. So machine name is BeagleBone Yocto. Okay, so the BeagleBone is ARM Cortex A8 development with USB and all. Okay, let's go to build and let's go to conf. You need to change local conf. So gedit localconf and person. Yeah, now we open that. We need to change our machine. Yeah, we need machine. Where is BeagleBone Yocto? Yeah, here it. So to remove that comment, just remove that hash. Remove, and your machine is selected as a BeagleBone Yocto. So we need to comment that qmux86. So we will add a hex. Okay. Now we have selected our machine. You can also see where is the download. So uncomment that. So you can see that where is your download, where is your cache file. So uncomment that. So in your build directory, this directory will be there. So you can see which packages are downloaded, which packages are installed. Now here is package management configuration. I will add another package manager IPK, because that is the Debian style embedded package manager. So we have two package manager, RPM and IPK. I think that's it. Okay, save it, close it. Now let's refer again that what we need to do in our document, that we need to do bitback core image minimal. Okay, so copy that, cd to your Poky directory, or you can done by with Poky build. Now yeah, I'm in build directory. Now run that command, bitback core image minimal. So you can see here there is a 1.13 1 a.m 13-minute April 24. So it will take how much time? Let's take and 8 a.m 07. So it will take around 8 hours to compile it, to download it and compile it. So it will take so much time, so be patient on that. Okay, so now let's see. There is one warning. There was one warning of message shown. So let's see which warning is there. Yeah, host distribution is Ubuntu 20.04. So I'm using a latest Ubuntu, that's why that's warning. So let's see what's there. If you see build it Poky, you can see there is multiple files. You need to go to temp deploy images yocto build. See lsblk. So I have connected my memory card. So do lsblk. Yeah, there is a SDB. I have connected my memory card, so it will displaying me that SDB1, SDB2. I have two partition on that. So what is dd command? So dd command nothing is, will convert and copy a file. It will command it. So dd command will copy one image file to another image file to another image. So we need to use like this. Input file is core image minimum beaglebone yocto.wic, and our output image will be slash SDB. You know, you see that my memory card is SDB. It will take time, and you see it's done. There is 56 MB only. So this is a very minimal image, so it will take only 56 MB. So let's see what is the BeagleBone Black serial. So go to BeagleBone Black website, and there you find the BeagleBone document. Go to the system reference manual. Here you find whole manual of BeagleBone Black. We are interested here only in serial communication. Yeah, serial header. So go there, click there. You need this type of serial header. I have one TTY bug, so I will use that. So first pin is ground, fourth pin is receive, and fifth pin is transmit. So this is J1 header. In BeagleBone Black you can see that J1 header phase, first pin is ground, fourth pin receive, fifth pin is transmit. You need to connect like that. So we need to install one of the software package called Minicom to communicate. This will handle our device driver file. So let's install it. Once it's installed, we need to set up something. I have connected my USB serial adapter, so you can see it displaying me that queuing's electronic, and demessage it. So I will find that yeah, my device is connected and device file is tty usb 0 file. So we need to see is it there or not. So cd slash dev ls tty star. So we see yeah, we have file called tty usb 0. So we need to set our minicom. So sudo minicom -s, go to the serial port setup, type capital A or A, and slash dev our device file tty usb 0. Yes, this is our serial device file. Enter it and everything as it is. Enter it and save it as a default, so we do not change it, need to change every time. Then done, exit. So I converted color to white. Now please press the button, build button, and start your BeagleBone Black. After installing memory card, it will see that yes, EMC BeagleBone Black Yocto starting kernel. Let's wait. Yes, your BeagleBone Yocto image is successfully built. So it will prompt us something called username. So BeagleBone username is root. So we need to type root, ROOT. Yes, this is BeagleBone. Let's see what's inside. ls nothing in the home directory. Let's say uname -a. Yes, Yocto image standard ARM7. Let's fire another command. lsbl lsb release. No, that lsb release command is not there. Let's find another command. lsblk command is not there. ipconfig is not there. So this is minimal image. So you don't have everything. You have this type of command: date command, dd command, grep command, more command. So in bin file you see the watch command is there, ps command is there. Is it vi is working or not? Let's see. Go to root and type vi. Yeah, vi editor is working. So we have a vi editor. So hi, it's working. So our image is working. Let's save it. We don't want to save it. Okay, close it. ls. So that's it. This is the thing. This is the way. Let's see ls mode. No, ls mode is not working. Let's see demessage. Yes, demessage is working. Thank you.